How to send messages on Badoo. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send messages on Badoo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Badoo app. And upon clicking the Badoo app, don't forget to register or log in with your existing Badoo account. And after that, go to Encounters, in which by doing so, you can see that by clicking the three dots at the top corner, it will not show any options to message this person. Since even you scroll down to a person's profile and clicking the open to chat, it will not directed you to chat with this person. So in order to message someone in Badoo, all you need to do is to like their profile. And by doing so, all you need to do is to wait for the person to like you back for you to match. And if the person like you back, the Badoo app will notify you if you have someone that you get match. And that's when you can start messaging each other. Try to make conversation or interacting with strangers via chats. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to send messages on Badoo, that is just how to do it. If you think this video was helpful, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.